Hey guys, so Boxycharm. I missed last month. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry about that. I was away on vacation. I'm sure you guys were mad at me and I apologize. Please forgive your girl Samantha. We're gonna do July's Boxycharm unboxing. Listen, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, you're seriously missing out. It is a monthly subscription service that sends you goodies to your house every single month for a small fee. I'm gonna put a link in my description box. If you want to sign up, please click the link. It's an affiliate code, which means I get a small portion of that if you decide to sign up. If you don't like that, if you think you don't want that to happen, that's okay. Just go to Boxycharm directly and sign up. But if you do like me and you want to help me out, hit that link. That would be awesome. Otherwise, let's just get into the video. Let's not dilly-dally. All right, I haven't seen any spoilers. I know this is not the first video being put up for July. I usually try really hard to get that video up straight away, but unfortunately, I worked late yesterday, and some people got their boxes the day before me. Oh, okay, so anyway, box looks like this. Looks pretty basic, actually. It's got a little boxy thing in here, boxy description. We've got some pharmacy wonder. I don't want to look through this because it's going to tell me what's in my box. Let's just see. Oh, okay. Here we go. This is what it is. I see something from Note Silk, Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with Argan Oil. So I guess we have to open this up and see what this is about. This is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. It's designed to work with all skin types. This Luminous paraffin-free blush applies natural color to your cheeks. This is, I guess, a faves box. This is Joelle's faves. This is MSRP of $11.99. So let's see what the color is about. Wonder if everybody got the same color. I don't know. Pretty packaging. Pretty nice and basic. Oh, it's a pretty color. It's a nice summertime color. This would actually suit a lot of skin tones. I like that. That actually kind of looks like a MAC blush that I'm obsessed with. That looks like a nice terracotta. It's pretty, right? Yeah, I like that. It actually kind of looks like Melba by MAC a little bit. It's got that kind of terracotta look to it. So that's really pretty. I do have a full face on, so I won't be swatching on my face today. I'm sorry about that, guys, but just trust when I say that looks pretty. Okay, so the next thing I see in here, oh, Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt works with Boxycharm a lot. This is Needles No More Baggage. What's falling? ID Puffing Gel. Alright, this is an MSRP of $42. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes. Okay, so let's check this out. Oh, there it goes. It's orange. Oh, it's like a tightening. Okay, so what you do is you put this on your under eyes and it tightens the skin so it looks less puffy. Okay, so it's not actually going to take away your puffiness long term, just for the moment as you put it on. That is actually something that can be repaired surgically, puffiness, but once that tissue herniates forward, there's not a whole lot to do about it. I do work for a plastic surgeon, just so you guys know. But hey, listen, something that helps for the day, like, I think that's amazing, and not everybody can afford plastic surgery, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so the third thing I have here is by Chella Beauty. It's an eyebrow cream. Add some wow to your brow. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and belt and brush. Okay. Oh, alright. So it's got a belt and brush there. Let's see what the cream looks like. Oh, nice. Alright, I got it. So I'm gonna do it this way. I don't know if I'm showing you guys. I'm gonna do it that way, right? Guess yeah. Do one of those. Oh. And it's like a gel, it looks like a universal taupe color, so the color is in the end, and then you brush it in. That's a cool concept. I could get on board with that. I definitely like to check that out. Huh. What a cool concept. I like that. How much, what is it worth? $26. All right, sounds good. Actually, 3 good products so far. I don't know if you guys agree, but that's what I think. The next thing is by Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This is a value of $24. Like, Boxycharm is really like hitting it this month. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. All right, let's check out the brush. I like the brush. I love natural bristle ones like this. Very fine tooth and close together. That does volumize really well. It doesn't smell like anything, which is awesome. This looks really cool. I am actually almost out of my mascara, so I'm excited to try this. I've never heard of Wander Beauty before. Awesome. And the final thing in here looks like a palette. Let's see. Let's see what we've got in here, guys. This is by Crown Pro. This is the Fuego Eyeshadow collection, made up of rich, warm tone shades. This creamy and highly pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. A lot of really big pans and some beautiful shades. Wow. It's got a nice little mirror on there, so it's good for the go. And this actually kind of reminds me of the Lorac Unzipped palette. Unzipped? Is that what it was called? Yeah, I think it's Unzipped. Really pretty. I love that. Okay, Boxycharm. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to actually use it because I do have a lot of palettes that look like this. So I'll probably give this to a friend of mine. But this looks absolutely beautiful. And Crown has some great products. Some of my favorite brushes come from Crown. So, alright, Boxycharm. I'd say this is a really good box. I'd like to see some other palettes aside from eyeshadow palettes. We've been getting really a lot of eyeshadow from Boxy, and I can't use that much eyeshadow. I have 100 million palettes, but I'd like to see more like blush palettes, you know, or maybe like a nice highlighting palette. I think that would be really great, you know, just a real universal eyeshadow, a universal highlighting palette. I think that would be really great. Or a nice neutral blush palette maybe. You know, we'd gotten Pretty Vulgar, I think it was Pretty Vulgar blush we got a month or two months ago, and that was really nice. I would like a palette though. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Again, if you want to check out Boxycharm, the description bar has a link in it for you. Okay. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.